take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. Bad. I'm so sorry about the bitter end.
The tree is completely down. So now I'm gonna put all this stuff on my table. I need to clean the table off. But I am so glad that the room just looks normal again. Why am I singing? I'm just so glad that the room looks normal again. So I'm gonna go ahead on and style my coffee table. And I'm gonna give it kind of like, I guess, a Valentine's Day theme.
Spending all the rules, it gets colder, but I hate being cruel. I can't be cruel to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. Bad. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. I don't regret that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. In the aftermath of us, ooh, ooh, ooh.
Alright guys, I am here looking at a high-rise in Midtown, more like close to downtown Atlanta. Do you see those views behind me? Oh, so gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. If it was higher, I don't think you would probably have this area right here that's kind of blocking a little bit of the view, but absolutely beautiful. This would be the bedroom, so you would wake up to these beautiful views every single day. Absolutely beautiful. And it's a pretty nice size too, and the ceilings are very, very, very tall, super tall. And then out here you come back out. So your kitchen space right here, I would prefer if the countertops were white, but it's okay. Those are modern, and they go all the way to the top, which gives extra storage. And yeah, every morning you are looking at these views, and at night it'll be all lit up. Yes. Separate bedroom here. Pretty high ceilings. So this bedroom just has the one view. Really nice closet area. Bathroom, beautiful. All right, which comes over here and ultimately leads back out to the kitchen area. Okay. Ooh, okay guys, it is so cold outside. It's supposed to snow tonight and ice over. So we are out getting stuff, got some stuff from Sam's, hanging out with mom. So now we're about to get something to eat. rain, some snow. It's supposed to be a little bit of ice as well, but it's so pretty. It literally just started not too long ago, so hopefully it's gonna get thicker. But you know me, I'm gonna go outside in a second, take me some pictures, okay? It's snowing. It's so pretty out here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna try to take some pictures. Because how often do we get snow? Not often at all. Okay. Oh my gosh. I almost slipped. It is so freaking pretty. It's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, okay. It's like slushy on the pavement, but I could tell that it can turn to ice, like if it just sits here. So tonight, that's probably why we have a severe warning, and the governor declared a state of emergency, which is understandable because probably like 8 years ago we had this really bad snowstorm, and it really isn't about the snow in the south, it's more so about the ice. So people from up north always say, oh, you're scared of snow. It's not the snow, it's the ice. Because like this right here, I almost slipped and fell my butt. So yeah, when it turns to ice, that's when it gets dangerous. But it's so freaking pretty, and it's just so pretty. Hey y'all, what's up? So today is snow day number 2, and most of it is actually melted on the pavement, except for the trees still have snow and stuff on it, which is cool. So it's still really pretty, but it's drivable because we did go out today and just to get out the house, basically got some food and some drinks. And now I am about to watch Sisters on BET because I missed last week, and y'all know it is getting good. So I need to make sure I'm caught up before Wednesday. If y'all watch that show, let me know down below. It just gets crazier and crazier, and what's crazy is that my favorite people are Fatima and Zach, who didn't even really start off as being stars of the show. So it's like they've just taken over. So I really watch it because I rock with them, you know what I mean? But all of them are good, love them, but I just really love that whole storyline. I'm gonna go ahead on and close out the vlog. I hope you guys had a great weekend, and if you're here in the Atlanta area, I hope you enjoyed the snow just as much as I did. I'm like a little kid when it comes to snow, and we don't get it that often. So anyway, I hope y'all have a good night. I'm about to relax and watch my show.